Welcome to SGniceproperty. Today we will be covering total debt servicing ratio, also known as TDSR, and then what it means to you as a buyer. Well, in Singapore, when you purchase a property, you will definitely need a mortgage loan. So when you get a mortgage loan, it encompasses a few factors such as LTV, loan to value, the borrower's age, loan tenor, and depending on the property, you'll be subjected to TDSR or MSR. Now, what exactly is loan to value? Well, MAS has set a maximum amount that a person can borrow for all loans. I.e. to say, for first property buyers, it is actually capped at 75% of the valuation of the property. For example, if you get a 500,000 property, maximum loan will be 375,000. For bank loans, the maximum loan to value LTV will be 75%. What happens to the rest of the 25%? The 20% can be paid either by cash, CPF or both, while the remaining 5% will be mandatory by cash only. What if there is an instance of cash over valuation, also known as COV? Now, COV will be the difference between selling price of a property and the current valuation of the property. For instance, selling price is 500,000, but the valuation is 480,000. That means to say the difference will be 20,000, which is COV. 75% loan to value valuation will now be based on 480 and not 500,000. Thus, the additional 20,000 will be paid in cash. COV will definitely not be financed by the bank and is actually cash. What affects loan to value? Now, firstly, if this is your first, second or subsequent property loan, first property loan, 75% of loan to valuation. Second property loan, 45% of loan to valuation. Note that location of property may also affect the loan to value. For example, if it was an overseas property, the loan to valuation will be lower. Properties with 36 to 40 years of lease left, maximum LTV will be 60%. Residential properties with less than 30 years of loans may not be eligible for any bank loan. Now we cover borrower's age and loan tenor. For private residential property, maximum loan tenor is 30 years or up to borrower's age of 65. For example, if you are 50 years of age and looking to take a 75% loan to valuation, the maximum tenor of the loan will be 15 years. Do note that it is possible to borrow up to age of 75. However, the cap for loan tenor will be 35 years. Now for HDB, the maximum tenor will be 25 years or up to age 65. Credit ratings, credit checks will be done by financial institutions to determine credit risk, and this may affect the loan amount secured as well. TDSR, total debt servicing ratio. This is a cap on the maximum loans and any individual in Singapore can take in total. Regulated has 60% of total income, includes all loans, car loans, credit card monthly repayments, renovation loans, term loans, liens, mortgage loans. For example, if someone earns 5,000 per month, now based on TDSR, one can take a maximum of 3,000 to service all his loans. So if one has a 1,000 car loan, 500 credit card loan, and a personal loan of 300 per month, he will be allowed 1,200 for his mortgage financing. Do note that some financial institutions will take a further 30% haircut on the TDSR for the self-employed personnel as well as those whose income is commission-based. Now, I will cover what is MSR or Mortgage Servicing Ratio. This is applicable for only purchases of HDB apartments as well as executive condominiums, also known as EC. Not more than 30% of income can be used to service a HDB loan. For example, if the same said person who earned 5,000 per month, his MSR now is 1,500. This is the maximum figure that he can use to calculate his monthly mortgage payment. MSR does not consider the other loans that you might have. Depending on if you were purchasing private or HDB residential property, as you can see, TDSR may end up becoming more stringent a measure, as in the example above, as his MSR is 1,500, while his TDSR is only 1,200. Still unsure on how to work out your finances before purchase? Why don't you leave us a message below in the comment section? Let us help you in this beautiful journey towards getting your home.